doesn't look good. So I was supposed to change this filter, and I think because I've been so busy and didn't get to it, I'm gonna have a pleasant surprise. So that's the filter housing there, and that's the shower head. And that is the filter that should go inside of this, but I didn't get to it. And just looking closely at it, it's hard to see, but there are micro cracks. And that's where it was coming from. It wasn't leaking past that O-ring. It was leaking from these cracks, which leads me to believe that this filter is gonna be amazing. I'm basically gonna get this shower head back on so my family can still use the shower while I figure out what the heck happened. All right, well, we know that it's got some hairline cracks right here. So let's open it up and see why it failed. The last one I changed, and I'll add some pictures to the video, had some serious pluggage of like rust and metal and heavy metals in the filters. And I'm wondering if this thing's so plugged up, because I changed the other one and I was late. I usually change it at 6 months, these shower filters, and I changed it at 8 months and it was looking bad inside. This one I forgot to get to because I've just been busy with life. And I'm wondering if it plugged to the point where it couldn't flow anymore and it just decided to crack the housing. Because right here you can see, I mean, I don't know if you can see it, but there are little teeny hairline cracks, and that's where the water was coming out. There's no big crack right here like on the gusset like I thought there would be. Maybe, you never know. Maybe that's the crack right there. But interesting to see. Hopefully I can get it apart easily. Yeah, not too bad. So this housing is shot, so I won't be able to reuse it. I might have another housing. So not too bad, pretty clean on the inside. A little bit of rust there. Pull your filter out. The water coming out looks nice and clean. All right, so there we go. There's your pre-filter. Yikes, that's not looking good. There's your like secondary post filter. Wow. So yeah, that's a lot of material that this pre-filter caught. And it's red, kind of rusty, metalish color, which is not good. So yeah, I mean, if you know, that's not what I want to be taking a shower in. Yeah, I wonder what's inside the filter. I'm kind of want to like just pry it open a little bit. Oh wow, that's just yeah. You can see in the substrate for the filter, there's like this metal brown kind of metallic. It's just all bad. So I would guess that this filter was totally plugged up. That's my guess. And that's why it cracked the housing. Pretty gross. It'd be nice just to see what they look like inside. So just so you guys can see, that's the pre-filter right here before being used. And this is the pre, and that's the post filter over there after being used for about 9 months. So yeah, I mean, my house was built in 1965, so that's probably part of the issue, but there may be some other underlying issues going on. So if you are considering a possible shower filter, um, you know what? For the price, throw one on and check it at 6 months and just see what you end up getting. Because if you're seeing stuff like this, like like you don't want that. And at the very least, it's trapping some heavy debris, and you know, you're taking a shower in it. Your skin's the biggest organ in your body, so you're coating yourself with who knows what. So, yeah, I would suggest it, especially if you have an older house, or I would suggest it as an experiment just to verify what you have hitting your skin.